Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today, we will explore functionalism, one of the pivotal schools of thought in psychology. Functionalism emerged as a reaction to the structuralism of Wilhelm Wundt and Edward B. Titchener and sought to understand the functions of consciousness and behavior in helping individuals adapt to their environments. Origins and key figures. Father of functionalism, William James. William James, often referred to as the father of American psychology, was the primary proponent of functionalism. He was profoundly influenced by Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection, which posits that traits and behaviors that enhance survival and reproduction are more likely to be passed on to subsequent generations. Influence of Darwinism. Darwin's theory of natural selection emphasized the adaptive purpose of behaviors and mental processes. Functionalists applied this principle to psychology, arguing that mental processes have evolved because of their adaptive significance. Key contributors. Besides William James, other notable figures associated with functionalism include John Dewey, James Roland Angell, and Harvey Carr. Each of these psychologists contributed to the development and application of functionalist principles. Core ideas of functionalism. Subject matter, functions of consciousness. Unlike structuralism, which focused on the structure of consciousness, functionalism was concerned with the functions and purposes of consciousness and behavior. Functionalists asked how mental processes help individuals adapt to their environment. Adaptation and survival. Functionalism emphasized that the mind evolved to help humans survive and reproduce. According to this view, better consciousness leads to better adaptation and increased chances of survival. Applied focus. Functionalism placed a significant emphasis on practical applications. It sought to apply psychological principles to real-world problems, thereby making psychology a more practical and applied science. Methods. While functionalists utilized introspection, they also recognized its limitations. They advocated for a variety of methods, including observational and experimental techniques, to study mental processes and behaviors. Functionalism encouraged the use of introspection but also incorporated experimental methods to validate findings. Contributions of functionalism. Study of emotions. Functionalists like William James made significant contributions to the understanding of emotions. James proposed the James-Lange theory of emotion, which posits that emotions arise from physiological reactions to events. Self-concept. The concept of the self and its development was another area of focus for functionalists. William James's ideas about the self, including the distinction between the I, the self as knower, and the me, the self as known, have had a lasting impact on psychology. Comparative psychology. Functionalism popularized the comparison of human behavior with that of other animals. This comparative approach helped to identify universal principles of behavior and mental processes across species. Intelligence testing. Functionalists contributed to the development of intelligence testing. The first intelligence tests, designed for use with children, aimed to measure adaptive capabilities and cognitive functions. These early tests laid the groundwork for modern intelligence assessments. Criticisms and limitations. Methodological issues. Despite its contributions, functionalism faced criticism for its methodological approaches. While it embraced introspection, critics argued that introspection was inherently subjective and lacked scientific rigor. Functionalism did not consistently employ experimental methods to the fullest extent, which limited the empirical validation of its theories. Retrospection. The reliance on introspection often led to retrospection, where individuals reported on their past experiences and mental states. This approach was criticized for being unreliable and inconsistent. Legacy of functionalism. Practical applications. Functionalism's emphasis on practical applications has had a lasting impact on psychology. It laid the groundwork for applied psychology fields such as educational psychology, industrial organizational psychology, and clinical psychology. Evolutionary perspective. The functionalist perspective continues to influence contemporary psychology, particularly in areas like evolutionary psychology, which examines how evolutionary principles influence human behavior and mental processes. Holistic understanding. Functionalism contributed to a more holistic understanding of mental processes, recognizing that mental activities serve adaptive purposes and are integral to human survival and well being. In conclusion, functionalism represented a significant shift in the study of psychology by emphasizing the functions of consciousness and behavior in adaptation and survival. Under the leadership of William James and other key figures, functionalism expanded the scope of psychology, integrating practical applications and comparative studies. Although it faced methodological challenges, its legacy endures in the continued focus on the adaptive functions of mental processes and behaviors. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to discussing how functionalism has influenced modern psychological theories and practices, and how its principles continue to inform our understanding of the human mind and behavior. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.